Hello everyone, this is Nitish Kumar Palai. Welcome to all of you. So now we are going to look how we will write a deduction in a proper way. In our last video, we had understand that how the deduction should be proved, or how we should think to solve a deduction. So it was, before going to solve a deduction, we should know what is deduction. Deduction was an workout which should be solved by the help of some principle or rules which are already proved or which are already known. So here there was a deduction. ABCD is a quadrilateral where AB and CD are parallel and ADBC were equal. And we have to prove two adjacent angle A and B are equal. So to prove this, we should know all the properties of parallelogram. And if in a quadrilateral, which property or which rules will be included to make it a parallelogram, or in a parallelogram what are equal. So these are all the basic properties of parallelogram that is known as a theorems we should know. So now it was a quadrilateral ABCD, so we have to prove A and B. Already we had understand that how A and B will be equal, but now it's time to write it proper way. So before going to write a deduction, you have to first write the given data, that is what is given by the question. So it was ABCD is a quadrilateral and AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. So students, you already know that if in a quadrilateral opposite sides, one pair of opposite side become parallel, it forms a trapezium. But here we don't need any property of trapezium. Okay, so you have to focus on how to equal A and B. So we have to prove DAB angle equals to ABC angle. So for proving this, we took the help of construction. So write the construction in a proper statement, that here we should extend AB and take a point T such that by joining CT will parallel with AD. So you can write, take a point T on extended AB ray mark, AB ray, such as CT. If CT, that means if we join CT will parallel to AD. Okay, so to prove, we understand that if we take T a point, so that CT parallel to AD, and already AT will parallel to CT. Why? Because it is given that AB parallel to CD. If we extend AB and take any point on T, then that line segment or that part will also parallel with CD. So here your AT parallel to CD and AT parallel to CT, so your ATCD is a parallelogram. And in a parallelogram, angle A equal to angle C, opposite angles are equal. So if anyhow we can prove this total angle C angle and DCT angle will equal to ABC, then we can write angle A and angle B are equal. So for equating DCT and ABC, we took the help of BCT triangle, and the exterior angle of ABC, we write it like exterior angle of BCT triangle ABC will be equal to the sum of interior angle BCT and BTC. That is, you know that in a triangle, exterior angle equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, so here your ABC will be equal to BTC plus BCT. But before that, we also know that BC equal to AD and ADTC are equal because they are opposite sides of a parallelogram. So ADBC equal and ADTC equal. So BC and TC also equal. So as in this triangle, BC and TC are equal, you know they are the opposite angles of these two sides will be equal, that are this angle and this angle will be equal. CBT and BTC will be equal. Okay, so here you can write again, a T parallel to CD and BC is the transversal, so TBC and your BCD also equal because they are alternate interior angles. So now you know that these three angles are equal. So if sum of this angle and this angle equal to ABC, a total angle, then you can write sum of this and this equal to a total angle by writing this angle instead of this. Okay, so now you know that this plus this equal this total angle. Then again, if you write this angle equal to this angle, so instead of this angle you will write this angle, so this plus this will be ABC. Okay, so here your DCT total angle will become equal to ABC of this angle. So you can write BAC and DCT equal, again DCT equal ABC, so BAC equal to ABC, BAD equal to ABC. Okay, so it was your proof. So for writing this, you have to gather all the data that helps you to solve this one. So that you have to first prove ATCD is a parallelogram. So now you will only know that ATCD is a quadrilateral because it is a closed figure and it has only four sides. So you'll write ATCD is a quadrilateral where AT parallel to CD and AD parallel to CT. Why AD parallel to CT? Because given, it is given. AT parallel to CD, AT parallel to CD, it is given, but AD parallel to CD, but AD parallel to CT is your construction. Okay, you have to write this way. If you are writing AT parallel to CD, you will write it is given. Okay, because it is given AB parallel to CD. If AB parallel to CD, we take any point on AB, then it will be parallel to CD. Okay, you can write it as a given. Okay, that implies you can write ATCD is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. So now you need that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. That is your BAD and DCT equal. Then it is your first data. You will write this one, that DAB angle equals to DCT angle. In bracket you will write opposite angles of parallelogram. Look, you have to always remember that while you are writing anything, you have to give a proper reason so that the examiner will not find any way to cut your mark. Okay, so here DAB equal to DCT. Again, from ATCD parallelogram, you will write AD equal to TC. Why? Because opposite sides of parallelogram, of a parallelogram. So you know AD equal to TC, AD equal to TC, but AD also equal to BC. So instead of AD, you can write BC equal to TC. Why? Because AD equal to BC. So as AD equal to BC, instead of AD, you can write BC equal to TC. So this is your, if this one is your equation 1 and this one is your equation 2. Why you are writing equation 1 and equation 2? But because if you write any, or if you take this data in your future writings, you will write from equation 1 or from equation 2, so it makes you easier to get your clarity to the writings. So BC equal to TC, BC equal to TC. Again you need that this angle and this angle equal, so be sure to write this one also. So again you will write AT parallel to CD and BC is the transversal. BC is the transversal. That implies your TBC angle equals to BCD angle. Why? Alternate interior. Alternate interior angle. Students, you have also remember that what are alternate interior, what are co-interior angles, what are corresponding angles. It is also needed rules to prove your deductions. Okay, so TBC equal to BCD. So make this as equation 3. So now you will write that in triangle BTC, ABC is the exterior. Now in triangle BTC, look, where is BTC? ABC is the exterior. ABC angle is exterior angle, or is the exterior. You know that in a triangle, the exterior angle equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Okay, so we took help of that property, that ABC equals to sum of opposite interior. What are they? That are BCT and BTC. That are BCT plus BTC. BCT, look, BCT plus BTC, opposite interior. That means this angle equal to sum of this one and this one. Okay, so ABC equal to BCT plus BTC. But we know, look how we are writing BCT. We have to prove here ABC equal to DCT. If DCT equal to ABC, again DCT equal to DAB, then we can write DAB equal to ABC. So now our focus is DCT and ABC should equal. So if we are writing this plus this equal to this, again we are writing sum of this one plus this one, because this and this are equal. So instead of BTC we will write BCT plus TBC. BCT plus TBC. BCT plus TBC. So here again we will write ABC equal to BCT. TBC के जगह BCD लिख सकते हैं. Why? Look here. BCT plus BCD. BCD. Okay. So here you know that you have to prove DCT equals to ABC. That means if you write TBC के जगह BCD, then your BCT plus DCA will become equal to ABC. Okay, so you have to think on that way. That is ABC equals to BCT plus BCD. BCT plus BCD makes your DCT angle. DCT angle. Okay, make this as equation 4. So here you get that your ABC and DCT are equal. Okay, so here ABC and DCT are equal. Again you know that BAC and your DCT are already equal. So you can write BAC equal to ABC. So for writing this, we look here. We are just writing this. In your equation 1, you know that DAB equal to DCT. DAB equal to DCT. So write here from equation 1, DAB equals to DCT. DAB equals to DCT. Again we will write DAB equals to ABC. Why? From equation 4, we know that ABC equals to DCT. Okay, so we know that from equation 1 ABC equal to DCT, so we can write DAB equal to ABC. Okay, fine. So here we prove that DAB and ABC are equal. It is your proof. Okay, so write proved in your last part. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.